Hi guys, you're at Springfarm level crossing again. I know I was just here last night, but I thought I'd come here again because why not? So the train is slightly delayed. It's delayed by about 5 minutes. So, well, I mean, I've started the recording later than I usually would. So I have. Pardon me. So we are expecting the train at 14:52. It is now 14:51. So the crossing should go off. Well, I mean, there is a 4000 just down at Antrim station, so it should be passing at 14:52. Because I did look down there like about a couple of minutes prior to the recording, so I know that it's definitely a 4000 because I can tell by the lights from the distance, and also because of the time of day I can see the front of the train there. You're at Springfarm level crossing in County Antrim with Newton Abbey's to it. The time now is 14:51 on I can't go over there by the way. Monday the 24th of January 2022, and this will be for your 15:03 Northern Ireland Railway service from Great Victoria Street to Londonderry. Here we are, 409! 409 to Londonderry, and what the hell? Up they go. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.